Hey yo, what it doing, baby? It's your boy Comic Cards back with another video. I'm back on the YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, I missed the upload, and then I missed the day. I think I'm 2 uploads behind, but it don't matter. I got you right now. We're not even gonna take too long. Just by Huge Turbo. This is just let's just see how not to drive your car. YouTube. This is for educational purposes. I think yeah. Sheesh. It's a 1080p, but it looks like shit. Let's see. Damn. He's gonna catch fire. Yup. That's wild. That is wild. Gotti. Looks so good. How do they... How? Bro, what are you doing? And the funny thing is, it be people that actually like aren't really good drivers that, you know, drive these type of... Oh, wait. Hold up. I think that was valet driving. Yeah, it looks like... I'm pretty sure this is valet. And this is gots to be the owner. Gots to be the owner right here. That's... I'd have been sick. How much do you think that cost to fix? Bentley, Ferrari. Fucking idiot. There's no damage though. Probably up close is like a tiny bit of paint chip, but I mean, it's nothing too bad. Yo, what? Not the Porsche. He's trying to back up. I would leave it. Oh, he's taking a tow. Damn. Oh. Rally. I'm not gonna lie. Rally is something that I can't do. I could do racing on a track and all that, but rally, I don't know. I can't do that. They like, it will be a rainstorm, and they'll be speeding like 110 miles an hour on a turn of a cliff that's got like a 8,000 foot drop. Like, they are no joke. What is he doing? Oh, he's still trying to drive. It's fine. I feel like he's gonna catch fire. It sounds... That's a McLaren, right? It sounds so tame, though. Yeah, it was a McLaren. I don't think that was the same. That didn't look like the same. Lambo. Fucked it up. Fucked it up. Hopefully that's covered under warranty. No. Mustangs. G-Wagon. Bro, what was the... Bro, what? Mustang fucked up, cool, understandable. I don't know what the Benz was doing. Beamer boy right here just completely...
Oh
wow.
My God.
I bet that is... Ah, that's so fast. That's probably the last beat in. Gone. This is how the rich stay rich. I already knows how people go right under. Yep. This is how the rich stay rich. That's crazy. Stance boy. Still don't understand it. Oh my God. He left the sticker on the actual tires just to flex. Like, haha, look at me. I don't use all of my tire. Oh my God, the quality is just so shit right now. I apologize. No fucking way. No fucking way. See, that's that rally shit. Well, he wasn't doing anything rally. 4GT? Wow. That's crazy. But yeah, nah, the rallies, yo, they be crazy. Bugatti. Was that Infinity destroyed too? You can't park there. Hey, you can't park there. His dad or somebody must have said, yo, jump on this car. It's a slide. Yeah, I guarantee that's what happened. Respectfully, I'm a huge advocate of FTK. If you don't know what that is, it's fuck them kids. Alright? FTK, DTB, FTK all day. All day. It's like, that's how it is. I don't care. These kids would have got booted. I'm not gonna lie. Cause who needs a U-Haul? What do you have, a Bentley? Rolls Royce in that double R. That is bad. Oh, he got hit, I'm pretty sure. I don't think he was doing anything stupid. Look at the flyby. He lost traction. Ah!
Oh. No mames. You're gonna go viral, little pero. No mames, dude.
No. That's a lot of damage. Oh, that's tough. Is that a Viper? You're by the water locker. A hydro locker. Destroyed. Yep. You fucking idiot. Why would you do that? If it was a puddle, cool, bro. That was a whole pond. That was a lake. Oh my god. Here, hold on. I'll watch one more. And on that note, we'll end it because of the oppositions. If you enjoyed my content, my vibe, the video, or even my humor that I have so much of, leave a like, share it with somebody. If I'm not gonna lie, ain't nobody gonna share it. You probably already clicked off the video, I'm not gonna lie. But if you're watching this right now, not gonna lie, I fuck with you. But I'm gonna have another video probably coming again today, the same day, or the next day. I got videos, so even if I don't post another video ever again in my life, you can watch like the other like 8 videos I got, or 10 videos. I don't know. I've just been posting. But I'm out. Fuck this shit. FTK, DTB, all the way.